Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's September the 7th, 2023. Here to talk about Aptos today because once we did our last video in Aptos, we did a video because this currency, this cryptocurrency, they inked a deal with Microsoft to merge AI with the blockchain, right? And the market went up like 15%. You guys can see here's an article right here from Cointelegraph. Aptos token rises 11.6% after Microsoft deal to marry AI with blockchain. Now that was in August the 10th, 2023. Here it is almost a month later. And look at the price in Aptos. Like, you would suspect that the market in Aptos would have gone up, right? Because that's quote unquote positive news. And if many people hinge their trading decisions, their investment decisions on news, then the market inevitably should have gone higher, right? Look at the price now. This is one indication why we don't placate the news. This is one reason why we don't figure out where price is going to go off of the current news of the day. Because the next day, another piece of information could have came out that would have been construed as negative, and the market in Aptos would have continued to go lower. We don't focus on the news. And even in this situation, you guys can even tell that I did not even get my price prediction correct. Yeah, the market in Aptos still revealed to us that it was weak. And here it is today. And as I zoom out this price chart, I want to show you that this hasn't been a bullish cryptocurrency at all. This is one of the cryptocurrencies that we're not seeing a whole lot of interest in. If there was some interest in Aptos, the market would not be trending the way that it is. It's going down. There has been other cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, that's not trending this direction. Look at this. This is Aptos. Let's look at Bitcoin. Looks different, doesn't it? This market in Bitcoin, you guys can see, is trending in an upward direction and at times trading in a range. What about Ethereum? Let's take a look at Ethereum real quick. Same thing here in Ethereum. So we're actually seeing where people are transacting more on these cryptocurrencies. What about Cardano? It doesn't look that way in Cardano. The market is trending to the downside in ADA. So who are the dominant players? You guys can actually tell simply by looking at the price chart. And Aptos currently is not the dominant player with this trend going down. You guys can see that we created a couple of horizontal lines into the market in Aptos as well. It's like it breaks out, comes down, trades within a range, breaks that support area, trades within a range, breaks that support area, trades in a range, breaks that support area, and that's the current sentiment of this cryptocurrency. Where are we about to go now? Because this price prediction right here was wrong. I give you guys that. I can show it to you. I'm being fully transparent that you won't get all of your price predictions right. So yes, that did not work out correctly. Okay. So now let's look at this. What we're going to do here in Aptos is we're going to continue to follow the overall sentiment into the market here. Okay. Which is, I think you guys can tell, it is weakness. Okay. Now, don't expect price in Aptos to be bullish at all until we see the market break outside of this downtrend line. Okay. Now, zooming out the chart, we have to distinguish where would be the next area of support, because the market currently is right there around $5.53. The next target would have to be $5.50, $4.50, and then all the way down here towards $4. So like 50-cent increments is where we're looking for price in Aptos to continually trade. We haven't been in this price level in Aptos since the beginning of this year. Okay. So let's get back to it. And we're going to look for the price in Aptos to continue to be weak. Let's look at this on the monthly chart. We'll show you how the month fared in Aptos. And here it is, the month of August. Didn't fare too well. Market ended low. We've been trending down in the market in Aptos since February 2023. We had one positive month, which was here in January. Every month outside of that has been weakness. This has been a dead cryptocurrency ever since it was launched on Binance. Here it is on the 5 weeks. You guys can see where the market closed on the 5-weekly time frame. Same thing on the 3. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. Last week's price action. Okay. Until we see any interest into the market in Aptos, we should not be looking for this market to be bullish at all. This low that occurred here on this weekly price bar could actually be the location that we're finding the buyers. Why would I say that? Because you can see here on these 2 weekly bars, this one and this one is exactly where the market came off of and the buyers bought. You guys can see it, the market went up. They're buying again. They're trying to, but they're not too excited because the market is not really breaking up to the upside as of this moment. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. And again, you guys can all see that the market in Aptos is making higher lows. Something that we all need to be cognizant of and understand that the market is losing strength and interest at those price levels. Okay, so let me do this. We're going to play weakness into the market in Aptos. That first target you guys can see is not too far though. It's right here. This is where the buyers currently reside on this 330-minute chart. That is where we need to see them stay. If they break that level, then we definitely understand that the market in Aptos is still weak. Okay, so that's my first target. 440, 450. That's 2.25% move to the downside. Next target is going to be $5, which is 9.53% move to the downside. And then that third target was around 450, but I'm gonna chill out. I'm just gonna hold these 2 targets first, and I'm gonna extend this line over just to show you that we understand that this is where buyers currently reside. If they hold this area, then the market won't go down to $5. Okay, so that's it. I'm finished. Wanted to break through and give you all an update as to what the market in Aptos is really up to and what the current sentiment is. I'm done. It's your turn. Give me your thoughts. And while you're at it, hit that like button. Instead of being also subscribe. You guys want a simplistic way of predicting price action. Yeah, it doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be hard. All you have to do is pay attention to where we've been and try to figure out where's the market trying to go now. And it's inevitably clear. It's very, very clear that the market in Aptos is trying to go down. That's it. It is trying to go down until we find another price level that the market brings in more interest and demand. The market will continue to find that level, and it's going to continue to go down until it finds that point. So that's where I'm at right now. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.